Hey there, is your iPhone almost full? Do you have thousands of photos and videos across your phone and computer, and finding one always turns into endless scrolling or feels impossible? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, practical, three-step process to turn that chaos into a clean, organized, and searchable library, all on your Windows PC. The three simple steps are clean, sort, and organize. You can do some of this manually with built-in tools, but once your library grows large, that becomes slow and overwhelming. So I'll also show how an app, FourClicks Media, can make this process dramatically easier and more reliable. Let's walk through each step, plus a bonus tip at the end. Step 1. Gather everything and clean up. For serious organization, it's much easier to work on a laptop or desktop computer. So first, transfer all your photos and videos from your phone into one main folder on your PC. If you're transferring from an iPhone via USB, avoid the Windows Photos app. It can be slow and could freeze if you have a large library. Instead, choose File Explorer and drag and drop the Internal Storage or DCIM folder directly to your computer. It may take some time if you have lots of files, but it's faster and safer. After copying, you may see many subfolders like 2025-04_, 2025-05_, and so on. Don't worry, you don't need to open those folders one by one. This is where FourClicks Media shines. Simply run the task Fix Nested Folders and Smart Merge. This tool acts like a vacuum. It pulls every single photo and video out of those hiding spots and copies or moves them into one flattened, easy-to-manage folder. At the same time, it automatically removes exact duplicates based on file name and file size, so you aren't wasting space. Next, we do a deep clean by running task Remove Visual Duplicate Image and iPhone Junk. This accomplishes two important things. One, it removes iPhone-specific junk files, such as .aae files and short .mov clips that come with live photos. And two, it uses AI visual analysis to detect hidden duplicate or near-duplicate images, even if they've been renamed, resized, or have different metadata. At the end of Step 1, you're left with one clean, flattened folder containing only meaningful, unique photos and videos, ready for organization. If you have thousands of files, doing this manually is tedious and nearly impossible. Tools like FourClicks make this step practical and stress-free, saving hours or even days of work. Step 2. Sort and create a structure. Now that everything is clean, Step 2 is about structure, because structure is what lets you find things fast. Let me walk you through three popular options that work for most people and show how FourClicks can build them for you automatically. Structure number 1 is organize by date. This is probably the most common, and for good reasons. Typically, you start with one folder per year, subfolders for months, and optionally daily or event-based folders for special occasions. In FourClicks, the Sort by Date function handles this instantly. Want a simple 2025 folder? Done. Want to drill down to year/month/date? It can do that too. Best of all, it reads the hidden date taken metadata in your photos and videos, ensuring everything lands in the correct timeline, even after copying or transferring. Structure number 2 is organize by topics. This works best if you think in terms of events and themes rather than dates. You might want folders for travel, family, hobbies, and within hobbies you might have subfolders for cooking, reading, or DIY projects. Here, sort by location is your best friend. Unlike cloud-based apps, FourClicks works entirely offline. Your photos and videos never leave your computer. It reads GPS coordinates directly from your photos or videos and sorts them into country, state, and city folders right on your hard drive. You can even define the location grid size, from a small neighborhood to an entire state or region. This makes it incredibly easy to build topic-based folders like travel/Switzerland/travel/California/Los Angeles. Structure number 3 is hybrid, date plus topics. Many people prefer a hybrid structure as it combines the best of both worlds. In this setup, you organize by year at the top level and then topics within each year. For example, 2025, travel, family, hobbies. This approach works especially well if your library grows every year and you want both timeline clarity and meaningful grouping. But sometimes you need to sort by something other than date or place for topics. FourClicks helps here with additional tools. Sort by media type. Separate photos and videos, or split them into photos, videos, and screenshots. Sort by resolution. This is great for creators. It separates your high-quality 4K videos and photos from your standard 1080p clips, making it easy to find your best content for TV. And sort by orientation. Separate vertical and horizontal media, which is critical for clean slideshows without black bars. And finally, FourClicks includes 2 powerful AI tools specifically for photos, both working well offline. Face detection AI can separate photos with people from everything else, placing landscapes, pets, food, objects into a separate folder. Face recognition AI can let you train the system using reference photos to find all images of a specific person or multiple people. So, if you want a folder of pure landscapes, use face detection. If you want an album for a specific person, use face recognition. Step 3. Curate and organize for the long term. At this point, your library is clean and well-structured. The final step is curation and organization. This is where we make files easy to recognize, share, and search. By default, iPhone file names like IMG1234 don't mean anything to humans. FourClicks' Batch Rename Files tool can fix that and let you create meaningful names, such as 2025-07-04-Disney_001 or Paris_001. The tool renames files in the correct order based on date taken, not file order. For example, just type Disney as custom text, and the date is automatically pulled from the metadata and added to the file name. Renaming improves sorting by making files easier to recognize, but tagging unlocks searchability by helping your computer find them. That's where batch write keywords or tags comes in, as it embeds keywords directly into the file, permanently. This doesn't change the date or location data, it just adds a searchable tag. You can add tags, you can replace tags, you can remove tags. Imagine you have a folder sorted by location called California/Los Angeles. You rename the files to 2025-09 Los Angeles_001, 2025-09 Los Angeles_002, and so on. Then you tag them all with California and Los Angeles. Now you can search windows for California or Los Angeles or both, and these photos will pop up instantly, no matter where they're hiding on your drive. With renaming and tagging together, they're the secret weapon of long-term organization. After these 3 steps, clean, sort, and organize, you've transformed your digital mess into a structured and searchable collection. Of course, once you put in this work, you want to protect it. FourClicks includes a sync and backup tool to easily copy your new library to an external hard drive. It also features additional tools like a Hake converter and a 4K slideshow creator, giving you extra help managing your media library. But the core mission remains simple: clean, sort, organize. If you'd like to learn more about the tools I mentioned in this video, you'll find a link in the video description below. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy organizing!